How you going, guys? So this is Jake. How you going, Jake?
Good, mate.
Welcome to Scotty's Outdoor Adventures. This June long weekend, Laura and I are camping at Grabon Lakeside Holiday Park on Wyangala Dam, along with some great mates. Sit back and relax. I hope you enjoy the episode.
We got the tinny on the back today for this weekend. Next 3 days are sunny, 15. We're going fishing most days, and I've watched my YouTube videos, so I'm a professional cod fisherman at the moment. Feeling good. And I've got Laura, she'll catch more fish than me anyway, and then I won't be able to invite her next time if she does, which is unfortunate because we normally have a good time. But anyway, catch us out there.
You want to show them your new Crocs?
Oh, check them out. A couple of Crocs around Wyangala. Don't want to scare the locals, but nearly sunk it. That's the good thing about having a light tinny. You can just chuck it in wherever. Shunk.
Yeah, she's sitting a bit low.
Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! It gets a bit serious. Just chuck me in race mode, sports mode. Flip it back, click clack, ready to go. Guys, just step back, big vessel in the water, big vessel in the water. Step back. Oh, it's a bit nippy.
No, there is.
Oh, it's ridiculous. We have so much in
What good shit. There's a gallon for water bottle in there,
No setup arguments. Chuck the boat off, the boat's down at the water, making sure no one steals it, but yeah, we're all set up. Keen for a good weekend fishing. Whoa, dinner for two. Look at that smoke. Morning everyone, it's 6:30 in the morning and me and Nathan braved it and we're out here throwing some lures around. At the moment we're trawling, we've got a bit bigger diver on, we're trying to go for Murray cod trawling around. I haven't got a great setup for it, but we'll see how we go. We found some structure over this side, so we're going to stop and flick some lures around the structures and see how we go, looking for some yellow belly and stuff like that. Wyangala Dam also have brown trout, rainbow trout, carp, Murray cod, a few different species, yellow belly. So there's that many fish in here apparently. I don't have any excuses this time. So I'll see how we go.
Me and Nath are out of luck, so it's time to head back to camp and cook up some breakfast.
Take two. So Laura and myself are out here this time. We had no luck this morning with Nath. We'll keep trying. A few different things. Go to soft plastics this time, looking for yellow belly. Well, it seems as if they've just come through and taken them all out again yesterday.
Right before we got here.
Oh, every time. They take them out and clean them. So they descale them, give them a wash, and then they chuck them back in. And they did that yesterday, so they're putting them back in, I think, Tuesday, but I'm starting work again. Typical.
Well, Laura and myself didn't have any luck out there, so we're heading back for some drinking games.
Morgan, team 1. Rosie, team 2. Jaden, team 1. Taylor, team 2. DJ, team 1. Claudia, team 2. Nathan, team 1. Sinead, team 2.
What about me? I didn't ever get called in.
I don't think I did either.
Got team 1. Take team 2.
What you've got to do is you've got to scull your drink, and as soon as that's done, you've got to move it to the edge and then flip it upside down.
And whoever has COVID, just don't touch the beer bong.
COVID doesn't exist. Yeah, it never did.
3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Spin around all the time.
You did it! Go! You did it!
Oh, I got a disqualification on camera.
Disqualification, team 1.
Let's go.
Down.
That was actually so much fun.
Oh, my phone's run out. Is this a full shot train?
Is that just actual,
Yeah.
an actual shot?
Yeah, it's vodka and cranberry juice.
Oh yeah, Scotty.
You'd think we were camping.
Oh, we are.
You would think we were camping, but someone's whipped out a movie theatre. Yeah, I was here for the camp, but if we're at the movies, that's fine. It's actually a drive-in.
Get the popcorn.
It's actually a drive-in. Is this the shot making workshop? Now we'll just come to a fishing scene tomorrow morning. Day 2, and it's our 3rd time out fishing now at Wyangala. We haven't had much luck the past, yesterday. I went out 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and we went back out around lunch for a few hours. We're gonna give it a crack today. I've been running a decent diving lure. I've been chucking around for cod, and then yesterday I ran the Tassie Devil lure, and today I've also got some like grubs on. Anyways, I'm also going to use some like power bait balls, like the trout balls, and try go for some carp and stuff like that. We'll try a different variety of stuff. Another note, how good's the weather? And we highly recommend this place. If you get good weather, the dam's massive, and there's a good variety of fish, and we've been loving it. Even if we don't catch anything, it's bloody nice being out here. I really think that's my lure. It's my colour.
Green and yellow.
No way. Yeah, that's my lure.
Green and yellow.
That is the lure I lost.
Hey, we caught something.
Well, we just found this lure floating on the surface
Laura did the good deed, pulled all the line out. Yeah, score.
Well guys, that wraps it up for our June long weekend Wyangala Dam trip. We stayed over the Grabone Lakeside at the holiday park and it's bloody beautiful here. Anywhere you can just back up, literally reverse your boat straight in the water and set up camp is a place I love to come. They've got all the toilet facilities that you need, everything like that. They make it very easy and it's a really nice place, so I 100% recommend coming here and checking it out. Hope you enjoyed the episode and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.